How to add weather widgets to your Galaxy home screen. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the SkyTech Studio. And if you want to add the weather widgets to your Samsung Galaxy home screen, then here's how you can do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to add the weather widgets to your home screen, you just should go ahead and press and hold any empty area on your home screen like this, and different option will pop up like this, and then go and tap on the widgets from the bottom here. Now, once you're here inside the widgets, you'll get to see the few different widgets are available. You just need to scroll all the way to the very bottom, and you'll get to see the weather. You just need to tap on weather, and once you tap on this, you'll get to see the different types or different shape of widgets are available inside this one. So just go ahead and add your favorite one. So let's say I just want to add these weather widgets with these specific icons. I'm going to tap on this and I'm going to tap on add, and once you tap on add, the weather widgets will be added to your home screen. Now you can press and hold this and you can drag the position where you exactly want to keep it. So let's say I'm going to keep it at the very top of the screen right here, and once you do that, the weather widgets is actually added to your home screen. It's pretty cool, right? Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.